Hello YouTube, I'm back with some more of these mystery balls. I was at my local Target today, picked up the 4-pack of the toy mini brands. I already opened 2, but I saved the last 2. I saw my 299th subscriber earlier, and she told me that I can't buy these mystery balls anymore. So I'm going to open up these last 2, and then that's going to be it for these mystery ball videos. So hopefully we get some cool little retro toys, I guess. They're not the Disney ones, but they're unique-ish. So these things are such a pain to open, but alright, so here we go. Second to last mystery ball forever. So the first lemon slice, I guess. We have, I already have this one, video game controller. Hopefully we get something unique. Oh! This is the one that my 299 subscriber wanted. She really wanted Hello Kitty in the car. And look, I pulled it without her. Oh, and not just that, but we also get a bonus with it. We got the $20 bills. Sweet. Alright, so far we're off to a good start, I would say, right? Oh, another My Little Pony. Pulled one yesterday, and now I pulled another one. That's the other one though, so now I think I have all of them. So far, so good. Let's see what's in this next little slice. It is Subbuteo. Nice little cardboard game, I guess. So far, that's the only dud. And now, the last part. And I already pulled this one earlier. Cards Against Humanity, everything box. So, not too shabby, not too shabby. And now for the final mystery ball forever. Let's find the sweet spot. And there we go. Unwrapping it, unwrapping it. Such a pain, such a pain, such a pain. Alright. Alright. That part's done. Now we just gotta do this part. Alright. We're getting there. Alright, cool. So here we go. Last ball forever. The first slice. It is glued on there really good. Man. This thing does not want to open. Okay, it's a unicorn thingy. Ooh, and the 100 stack of bills. That's why I didn't want to open all that money in that unicorn thing. Alright, next one. It is the Animal 4x4X Claws. Unboxing the ultimate unboxing experience. I don't know. Interesting little cardboard box. Alright, next pod. Oh, what the heck? Blue? It's like little fairy jar thingy. I have no idea. Alright. Second to last pod. It is Foodie Mini Brands Mini Ball. So you get a mini ball within a mini ball. See, pay $10, get another little mini ball. Perfect advertising. Gotta love it. And the final pod forever. is the pink video game controller. So, alright, not too shabby. That's it for those mystery balls. I can't wait to rub this in the face of my 299 subscriber. See what she says. Maybe she'll let me buy some more in the future. I don't know. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.